Sharing the simplest recipe of preparing dhokla. Take 2 cups of besan, add ginger garlic paste half tablespoon, add 2 finely chopped green chilies, salt, 1 spoon of oil and lemon. For reaction for fluffiness, add half spoon of soda and small Eno sachet. Add water and prepare a good batter in a thick consistency. Put it in microwave for 5 minutes and dhokla would be ready.
7 minutes.
For tempering, take a 2 tablespoons of oil, add mustard seeds and green chilies. Cook them well and add water and lemon. This is important to keep moisture in the dhokla which would be lost in the microwave heating and to get rid of the dryness. And at the end, garnish it with coriander.